everyone, welcome to our Seashells channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashells florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any designs you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create these beautiful seashells, loose flowers like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: glue gun, glue stick, airbrush, clean wrap, glue, dried sunflower stamen, and Aluco Vertagus mid-cut shell. First, put some white glue in the clean wrap. Then put the Aluco Vertagus mid-cut shell to the glue. Put the tip of the cut shell into the glue and make it circular. Flat the glue into the shell using the stick. Then glue it again for more security. You may use gloves because the glue is hot. Done for first layer, and then we will proceed to the next layer. Glue slide up the shell, around for the second layer. Feel free to insert all the remaining seashells in any places you think it will look pretty. the dried sunflower stamen. Then glue the dried stamen in the middle. Then spray into color yellow. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots, stay creative.